Hey guys, welcome to the Max Invest YouTube channel. Today we are going to be taking a look at NIO. NIO has recently released their March delivery numbers and these deliveries are very good. NIO is a Chinese electric vehicle maker and it is the biggest electric vehicle maker in China with a competitive battery as a service system, and their cars do look really nice. If you enjoy the video, remember to like and subscribe, and remember nothing in this video is financial advice and you should always do your own research before diving into any of these high growth stocks. NIO's price has recently slumped and it is currently sitting at the $35 to $40 range after being up at an all-time high of $67, so it's definitely a good stock to see if it is the right time to buy the dip on. Now, NIO has had some insane deliveries in March. They have had deliveries of 7,257 vehicles in March 2021, representing a 373% year-over-year increase. This is insane for even high growth companies. No companies can grow at 300% plus year-over-year except NIO, and this does show why the stock price has exploded and why the stock is doing extremely well this year relative to other years. China has significantly helped NIO with subsidies and bailouts, and it's really showing in NIO's numbers. NIO delivered 20,060 vehicles in 3 months ended March 2021, and this was a 423% year-over-year increase in vehicle deliveries, which is absolutely insane. And in just 3 months, they've delivered half of the vehicles that they delivered last year, which is why we're investing in this high growth company, because it continues to perform consistently. Now let's get into the individual numbers of the vehicles. There were 1,529 ES8s delivered by NIO, which is a very large number, and it goes quite similar with the other vehicles. The ES6 is the most popular vehicle with 3,152 delivered, and the EC6 has 2,576 vehicles delivered. However, NIO will soon be releasing their ET7 in Q1 of 2021 or 2022, and I do believe the ET7 will have a lot more vehicle deliveries than these ones even, and this is because the ET7 is a really good sedan that is a little bit cheaper, and there is a massive backlog of orders for this sedan already. So I do believe NIO can continue delivering vehicles at a rapid rate. Of course, this was record deliveries in March. NIO delivered about 50 vehicles less in January with 7,225, another insane number. However, in February, they only delivered 5,578 vehicles. This is generally because less vehicles are delivered in Chinese New Year, and I do believe a lot of investors did not realize this and they sold off NIO stock because it could not hit the 7,000 deliveries mark. However, NIO will likely hit 7,000 deliveries each month, and this is very good for the stock. Now, NIO has had some big problems, and this has resulted in NIO's stock price dropping from 67 down to 31. Due to these problems, NIO lowered their aims. For 3 months ended March 2021, NIO said, alright, we're not going to do the original 20,000 vehicles, rather we will do 19,500 vehicles. However, despite this, NIO still beat 20,000 vehicles. Now, I do believe this is because NIO are going the conservative route. They are saying their most conservative numbers to build trust with investors and never disappoint investors, which I do like from this company, and it should mean some big explosions in stock price when they release their results, as they just did with March. Now, the massive chip shortage was what caused NIO to lower their numbers. Obviously, their manufacturing of all cars. This is not just a NIO problem. This is a Tesla problem, a Ford problem, a General Motors problem, and we've even seen General Motors and Ford come out and lower their delivery numbers because of this, and I must say, lower them by a lot more than NIO, and NIO has done a lot better in March, still delivering despite these problems. Now, the chip shortage has been all over the news, and another big problem is the Suez Canal amplifying this and causing more and more supply chain issues across the stock market. Also, NIO's stock price has not only slumped because of the chip shortage, but generally, since about February the 18th, all of the most high growth, high beta stocks like NIO have dropped substantially from their all-time highs and had a bit of a sell-off. As we can see, NIO was up at $67 and it dropped all the way down to $31 at its lows, representing about a 60% decrease in the stock in only a period of 1 month. NIO's currently back up near $40, and I do think the $39 support level is a pretty good support level for NIO. NIO has dropped so much off the chip shortage and off tech stocks that now it actually looks like a bit of a value play, would you believe? NIO have a long way to go, and I do see NIO getting back into the $60, $70 range this year when they're delivering such good numbers and they're consistently churning out 7,000 vehicles each quarter, and they're likely to do more and more in years to come. So I am very happy with NIO's recent updates. They're doing very well despite the chip shortage. Also, the chip shortage is likely going to be completely cleared up by Q3. We may have a bit of a rough Q2, but if NIO can come out just fine, keep delivering well, in Q3 they can really explode their delivery numbers, and all the way up to Q1 of 2022 when the ET7 comes out, I can see this stock getting up in the $90 to $100 range by around 2022, which would be very good returns on your investment. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, and you should do your own research. Alright, that brings us to the end of the video. To conclude, basically, I think NIO is sitting at a very good price right now. $35 for this stock brings it to about a $60 billion market cap, and I see this stock getting up well past the $60 billion market cap, and I can see it easily doubling in the next year. However, I'm not quite sure in the short term, and really anything could happen. In fact, if you really like this stock, what you should be doing is dollar cost averaging in over time. Don't just load the boat at one price, just go in over time, get a good deal for the stock. That's what you'll do best. If you enjoyed the video, remember to like and subscribe, and if you disagree with anything, you can leave it down in the comments below. NIO did really good March deliveries and I'm very bullish on them in the future. Thanks for watching.